Fix add friend option not showing on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Play Store application and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version so that you remove and avoid any sort of glitches. As you can see, my app is updated, so I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the homepage of the Snapchat application. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now after tapping on your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down until you find the option of feedback. You can see under feedback, you can select the option if I spotted a bug. So just tap on that option, select on friends because we're having an issue on adding friends. Then here you can just choose the topic of what sort of issue you are having. Here we can see second option of adding or removing friends. So just tap on that, and under the box you can explain the issue that you're having. So here I'm writing, hey, hello Snapchat team, I try to add friends and it's showing an error. Something went wrong. So please fix my problem as soon as possible. Thank you. So now you can just submit this issue to the team of Snapchat by clicking on the submit button at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, and the team will contact you in a short time. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.